Hello, this is Esther Teach Me channel. And then so you're saying Asia. Topic for discussion: P vowels and consonants. How to say the P vowels and consonants. Hope you are ready for the lesson. Revision. Let's try to revise. I am sure you remember the sounds of the P letters. Let's go over in order to talk about today's lesson. We started with A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, Y. Good. We just say why and the sape pepe. Let's talk about the P vowels. This is how we say it. Any nije, can I mean here? Any nije. Hope you said it right. Any nije no nyinaa yɛ asɔn. Akan or Twi language has 7 vowels. These are A, E, I, O, U. Hope you got it right. Let's repeat. A, E, I, O, U. Good job. Yenhwe. Enum nije, the Twi consonants. Enum nije no nyinaa yɛ du enum. The Twi letters have 15 consonants. They are as follows: B, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, W, Y. Wow! Now, we need a combination of the Twi vowels and the Twi consonants to form words. Example: B and A will give you ba. T and O will give you tu. Let's do these together. B and A will give you what? D and A will give you F and E will give you S and O will give you K and E will give you. Try your hands on them. Now, answers. Hope you got it right. Compare my answer to yours. B and A bema o ba. D and A bema o de. F and E bema o fe. S and O bema o so. K and E bema o ki. Good job. Hope you got them right. Sana ete enya dibia eden, they are not difficult. It's a matter of going over and going over and going over, and surely you will get there. Good job. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.